My mother and brother go to Ollie's sometimes, and they pick these up. 2 universal remotes. Bought this same one a year or so ago for my Samsung HD CRT. Not only because it's pre-programmed, but it's easy to program these, but Philips, they sell good stuff. We're using this to record audio. So let's get one of these open. Manually turn on the device to be controlled. Press and hold the device, TV, DVD, etc. button until red indicator stays on, then release the device button. Press the channel up button repeatedly until the controlled device is turned off. The red indicator blinks off with each button press. If you accidentally overshoot the code required, press the channel down. Done. Press the power button on the remote, and it's working. Wonder if we could get into the menu. Really want to set the time on here. That'd be really cool. Now we're going to program it to work with this TV. As you can see, the logo on the front says Bell & Howell, but the set was made by Philips, or Magnavox, which is a Philips-owned subsidiary. They made this set, so that code might work. Or you could just use a Bell & Howell code, but we're just going to do the code identification feature like we did with the VCR to the right of it. Manually turn on the device to be controlled. See, it's on. Just like last time, press and hold the device. So it's a TV, press and hold that. And release the device button when the indicator light starts to stay on. And then you press channel up until the device goes off. Holding it down. When it lights up, let go. Now keep pressing channel up until the device goes off. Done. Then press the TV button to save it because this is a television. Press the power button on the universal remote. Now it works with the TV. So we're done.